Why just single out her? Let's get rid of the fund for everybody else.
The Vice President should explain, or were you at least curious with what has come out in the House hearings of names that were in the receipts, like Mary Grace Piatos, names of fruits? People, didn't you think as a senator that there were possibilities of corruption in that whole process of
Karen, as former Senate President with access, they always give the President, they always give the Speaker of the House and Senate President access to all these confidential funds. So much so that I opened it up to Senator Risa and Senator Coco and to my colleagues who wanted to see all these documents. Because pumuputok na yan na wala pang away, wala pang gulo yung Marcos Duterte, wala pang away. But Senator Coco wanted to see this. We opened it up.
Yeah, oo nga. Noong pumutok niyang regarding sa confidential fund, sabi ni Coco nga, imbestigahan na natin yan. Oh, maingay na si Coco that time, mga kaibigan. Grabe na siya, ang ingay niya na. Naalala ko tuloy, maingay na nga siya.
According to the intelligence community, according to people who are actually using confidential funds, they never put the names. They never put the actual names because of the idea that this is confidential. So they never put the actual names. Now, what the prosecutors have to tie in is, number one, are these actual recipients? And if the Vice President can actually show a list of the actual recipients. And number two, did she benefit from the funds? They have to prove that she pocketed the funds.
Tama. Yun dapat ang point dyan, pero may napakita na ba silang ebidensya? Na yung pera na yun ay kinamkam talaga ni BP? Hindi naman. Ang akusasyon nila, may mga tao na walang magandang pangalan o walang totoong pangalan doon ninano ang pera. Pero ano ba talaga ang point ng impeachment na yan, mga kaibigan? Para sa akin, mga kaibigan, ang impeachment na yan, it's all about political motivation. May dalawang rason po yan. Una, 2028 presidential election threat or banta. Kasi nga, si BP Sara, alam naman natin, sa simula pa lang, ang taas talaga ng kanyang rating. Ang taas sa kanyang presidential polls or survey na siya talaga ang number one contender sa pagka-presidente sa 2028. Pangalawa, dynasty survival strategy ng mga Marcos. Kailangan nila, after ng 2028, dapat yung maging presidente ay kaalyado nila para yung dynasty nila ay patuloy. Kasi nga, alam naman natin, nandyan si Sandro, yung anak, di ba? Nandyan yung mga Marcoses. Gusto nila hindi mawala. Kaya para tuloy-tuloy. Para yan nga ngayon ang ingay regarding sa impeachment na yan. Di ba? Ano ba ang dahilan? Okay? So, basahin muna natin ang pinaka-dahilan yan. Okay, ganito yan. Una, tingnan natin 2028 elections. 3 years malapit na. Tapos si BP Sara, leading siya lagi sa presidential polls. Alam naman natin na pag ma-impeach ka or ma-conviction ka sa impeachment, automatic hindi ka na pwedeng tumakbo pagka-presidente. Remember, December 2026, deadline po yan ng pag-filing ng mga tatakbong presidente. O diba, tamang-tama ang timing. This year talaga, gusto na talaga nilang matanggal si BP Sara para by next year, hindi na siya pwedeng makapile as president kasi 2026 na next year. Ano nangyari ngayon? Pinupush talaga ng Kongreso. Pero yun nga, takot talaga sila na ang impeachment na yan ay masira sa technicality. Ano ba yung dalawang technicality? Yung 1-year ban at saka kung pwede ba itong umusal sa 28th Congress. Yan yung dalawang issue. In short, mga kaibigan, malaking banta si BP Sara sa 2028 presidential race kaya kailangan niya talagang mawala or ma-disqualified sa pagtakbo pagka-presidente. Dynasty survival strategy. Yan po. Ito ay yung Marcos Family Consideration. Mahirapan sila na ipagpatuloy yung dynasty nila kung nandyan pa ang mga Duterte sa Mindanao. Malaki talaga kasi ang impluwensya ng Duterte. Kaya ganun na nangyari dyan, guys. Tuloy natin ang video.
Karen. Now, in the absence of that, I'm keeping an open mind. So, my point being is, we just have to study and continue with the process and look at the evidence at hand. But my point being is, why just single out her? Let's get rid of the fund for everybody else. Because maybe we should look into this deeper. Maybe the ombudsman should look into this deeper, not only to the vice president, to the president, but also to everyone else who has confidential funds from Apari to Holo in all the local government units, Karen. I know they're saying this.
Tama. Ba't yung single out ng si BP Sara regarding sa confidential fund? Kung ang point nila, accountability lang, accountability talaga, dapat lahat imbestigahan. Are you sure si BP Sara lang ang may something issue ng regarding sa ganyan? I don't think so. Kaya nga tinatawag ni Mig Soberia na witch hunt eh.